Kara and the Little Blue Bird. Once upon a time, in a sunny little town, there lived a cheerful toddler named Kara. She loved to play in her garden, surrounded by colourful flowers and tall green trees. One bright morning, Kara heard a sweet, chirping sound. She looked up and saw a little blue bird sitting on a branch. The bird had shiny feathers and a tiny beak. It sang the prettiest song Kara had ever heard. "Hello, little bird," Kara called out, waving her hand. "Chirp, chirp," said the bird, as if saying hello back. Kara wanted to be friends with the little blue bird. She decided to share some of her favourite things. She brought out a small basket of crumbs and placed it on the ground. The little blue bird fluttered down, pecked at the crumbs, and chirped happily. Kara clapped her hands in delight. Every day, Kara and the little blue bird played together in the garden. Kara would sing songs, and the bird would chirp along. They danced in the sunshine and chased butterflies. One day, the little blue bird seemed sad. Kara wondered why. She asked, "What's wrong, little bird?" The bird chirped softly and flew to the edge of the garden. Kara followed and saw a nest high up in the tree with 3 tiny eggs inside. "Oh, I see," Kara said. "You miss your nest and your eggs." Kara thought for a moment. She decided to help. She gathered some soft leaves and flowers and made a cozy spot for the bird to rest near the nest. The little blue bird chirped joyfully and snuggled into the cozy spot. Kara felt happy knowing her friend was comfortable. From then on, Kara and the little blue bird played together every day. They sang songs, danced, and enjoyed the garden. And whenever the bird needed to be with its eggs, Kara would sit nearby, keeping her friend company. Kara learned that being a good friend means caring and understanding. She was glad to have such a special friend in the little blue bird. And so, Kara and the little blue bird lived happily ever after, in their sunny little town filled with love and laughter. The end.